Hi friends, these are the parts of objective lens of microscope. You can see it's a 45x objective lens. So I have cleaned it. See, this is a lens, and here we can see the lens. If you want to take this lens outside and clean, first you have to remove this screw. You can remove the screw, then take this plastic outside. You can just rotate it and take this outside, then we can take that lens outside and clean. We can also clean this lens without taking this main lens outside. We can clean from here. So I already cleaned it. Let me assemble all parts back. So first take this, then put this spring inside, then put this lens, then use this plastic and tight it. Okay. Then the outer cover. So after that we can connect this objective lens to microscope. See, let me connect it back to microscope. So this way we can assemble all parts of objective lens after cleaning, then connect to microscope. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.